Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fabian Electrical Services Inc. So basically today's video, this is my electrical panel on the first floor, and as you can see, I have a lot of wires here. These are all my speaker cables. I have my neutral. Come give me the lift. Yeah. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to be diving into the world of electrical installation of panel breakers. And please stay tuned for some exciting work. And I hope you are watching this video thrill. And let's get started. So what I have here is in my previous video, I have 20 amp receptacle. It's going to be a single phase. Single phase means it's going to be one hot, one neutral. So right now, what I did was I took my red wire and I taped it white to identify this wire here, as you see, as a white neutral that's going to go onto the neutral bar. As you can see, all my wires on the neutral bar are white. So in order to not confuse someone else, the code states that you have to identify the neutral with some kind of tape of some sort. Okay, as you can see, I have my two 15 amp breakers here. These are 20 amp. These are going to be 20 amp receptacles. So I'm not going to be installing these on my 15 amp breakers. I'm going to be installing these two blacks, which are 15 amps. The requirement by code is if you have a 14 gauge wire, you're to install the 14 gauge wire on a 15 amp breaker. Okay. What I have here is a set of wire strippers that I use to strip my wires so I can install it onto the breaker. So on this wire stripper, it has a set of numbers that you will use accordingly to the wire that you have. If you see, I take that, I strip that. Okay. I will take this wire, I will put it into the breaker. Make sure that my wire is neatly placed. I'll take the second wire and put it onto the breaker. And I'll always make sure that my wires are cut short enough where there's no copper showing outside of the breaker, if you can see. Okay, you adjust this right here. And if you can see, I'll take the light here. You can see here, there's no copper showing at all, okay? Then I will take my two other breakers. I'll try to balance out this panel as much as I can. Install that breaker. Install that breaker, okay. These are all 15 amp breakers. Okay, so I'm just going to be installing whatever it's not tied into the whatever is labeled, and it's not labeled receptacles, I will tie it into the panel. Okay, so here, these are 20 amp breakers. How do I know these are 20 amp? So this yellow wire here is basically 12-2, and it will go on a 20 amp breaker. Okay. As you can see, I always try to leave a little bit of access wire, just in case that I have to relocate my wires somehow. Don't really need a whole lot of wire, so I don't keep a whole lot of wire inside the panel because it gets messy. You can see I always try to keep my panel neat as possible. These two wires here are receptacles, so they're going to go on to a special breaker. Okay, and that's it for my wonderful video today. Please stay tuned for my other videos. Please like, share, and subscribe. Also leave a comment in the comment section. And thank you.